the main meat of the storm is missing us. We're on the outside of it, but there's another storm behind it that definitely has the potential to hit us. Not as strong, but I'm gonna head down to the lake and take a look at this storm. Look at that beautiful storm. That turquoise green color in there. It's up here a bit. Right here, this is as close as we're gonna get. We might get rained on here in just a second. If you go back, you can see the rain. Let's just time-lapse this. Look at that nice wide shot. See in there is like the meat of the storm. Wow, there's lightning. That's incredible. Rain shaft right across the lake. And we got all the scud being sucked up along the forward flanks of the storm. But yeah, it's definitely might be time to move a bit. We are literally sandwiched between two thunderstorms. Might be a smart idea to leave now since there's one storm right above me. There's another storm over there. Both of them are putting down lightning. It's definitely a smart idea to leave at this point. Sure enough, the storm I was watching literally just a few minutes ago went tornado warned. There's a tornado warning. Here, let me focus. There is a tornado warning on it. There's a little couplet right there where those two colors are touching. That's where tornado might be. But yeah, we saw some good storms, or decent storms today. Good enough for me to film, not good enough for me to put the RC or any of my other gear into. I don't know when the next storms will be, but they'll be here. Alrighty, my plan with this storm, stand my ground as long as possible until it gets too close.